Good evening, everyone. It is August 3rd, 2017. We are doing 2017 Topps Chrome Baseball Jumbo one box break number 11, random teams. There is only 26 total spots. 4 teams are comboed, and no veteran base ships. So FYI. So here's the list of names, starting with Regimel at the top, Aaron with Aaron Oba. And here it is with the Diamondbacks to the Nationals, and you can see the combo teams with the Rangers and Marlins, Pirates and Twins, Royals and Rays. Alrighty, guys, so let's roll the dice. That is a 1 and a 3. So, no, we have Immaculate Collegiate, TJ, so we have that here. We have the 4 loose boxes, so we can do that. So we got a 1 and a 3, so we're going to go 4 times on the list of names and teams. 4 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll make sure in the back, but I remember seeing them in the back. That's what we have it listed. Alright, so after 4 times, Kip is at the top, and Benny, you're at the bottom. Alright, after 4 times, let's go to the list of teams. Was it 4, right? Yep. 1, 2, 3, and 4. After 4 times, Kansas City Royals Rays combos at the top, and the Cleveland Indians are at the bottom. Yeah, man, I mean, for reals, guys, it doesn't take that long to start a rally. If people grab spots into it, other people will grab spots, and by the time you know it, we can get it done. I think Joe, I don't think we have any more fresh cases. I think we brought back any loose boxes. So that's why we're probably the only ones that have it on the website. Because we brought back anything loose for $10 breaks and anything that was for me or Joe. But for him, I think he was breaking fresh boxes and fresh cases. So, alright. So, Kip, you have the Royals Rays combo. Jared with the Giants. Benny with the Angels. Lampros, you have the Rockies. Cruz, you have the Mariners. TJ with the Astros. John, you have the Pirates and Twins combo. David, you have the Red Sox. Edwin with the Braves. TJ with the White Sox. Jeffrey Dorlack with the Mets. Cruz, you have the Diamondbacks. Chris V with the Cubs. Jacob Hill, you have the Orioles. Dennis with the Blue Jays Phillies combo. Darren, you have the Tigers. Cruz with the Rangers Marlins. Jonathan with the Reds. Colin with the Cardinals. Aaron Oba, Last Ball Mojo with the A's. Regiment with the Brewers. Rick, you have the Nationals. Jacob Hill with the Yankees. Benny with the Padres. Brian, you have the Dodgers. And Benny with the Indians. Alright, guys, so I'm going to quickly pause this video, see if there's any trades. And if not, we'll come back and open up this one box breaks of Chrome Jumbo. So stick around. Alright, guys, welcome back. No trades. So here is the list. Good luck to everybody in the break. Last Ball Mojo, Oakland A's for Aaron Oba. Alright, the 6 boxes remaining out of this fresh case. So box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the boxes that are remaining. Looks like we did box 7 and 8. So let's quickly generate one of these boxes once again. And it is box 6. Damn, we did box 8 first. Box 7, now we're going box 6. We're going back. There we go. Box 6 was generated. And there we go. Alrighty, guys, good luck. If you guys want to get that Immaculate Collegiate going next, we can definitely get it going. Alrighty, guys, good luck. And we had Jorge Alfaro for the Phillies. Chrome rookie autograph. That is going to the Phillies. Philadelphia Phillies. And Dennis to the Blue Jays and Phillies combo. Matt Kemp. Alright, next one. So we're looking at least 5 autographs. We have an 87 retro. A negative, Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. No numbering on those, but those are like 1 per box. So So there you go. St. Louis Cardinals, that'll be going to Colin Matoy. Scotty Retro. Dansby Swanson, freshman flash for the Braves and Edwin. Cody Bellinger, freshman flash. Let's go into the Dodgers and Brian. Noah Syndergaard then and now. And for the A's, Bruce Maxwell, rookie autograph. That's going to Last Spot Mojo, Aaron Oba. I'm telling you guys, Last Spot Mojo. Alright, so we have 2 autographs so far. 3 more. No numbered cards yet either. Johan Moncada rookie. Orlando Arcia, retro rookie. And Carson Fulmer, nice, for the Chicago White Sox. Rookie autograph, and that is a purple. 110 of 250. Chicago White Sox going to TJ. Buster Posey retro. Then and now, Carlos Correa. Kenta Maeda for the Dodgers. 145 of 299. Purple. Going to the Dodgers and Brian. Maybe if you want to email us, Ben, or maybe Joe can help you out with that. I don't know what to do in that situation, Ben. Yeah, man, I'm sorry about that. I'm not sure. Maybe you want to clear your cookies on your computer. Roman Quinn for the Phillies. Rookie auto. Restart your phone or computer. I'm not sure what to help on that, man. I'm sorry about that. Let's go into the Phillies and Dennis with the Blue Jays Phillies combo. I'll ask Joe right now, see if he's dealt with that before. I've never dealt with that before on my channel on Hockeyland. Alright, 3 more packs to go, guys. Dansby Swanson for the Braves, retro rookie. And Ty Blatch, sorry. San Francisco Giants. Going to Jared and the Giants. Alright, still have 2 packs, guys. We'll go through those packs, see what else we can find in there. And we got a gold for the Colorado Rockies, Carlos Gonzalez. 36 of 50. Going to the Rockies and Lampros. Alright, last pack, guys. Good luck. Another one is in the store, guys. Number 12. If you guys want to get that one going. David Dahl, freshman flash. No numbering on that. Cody Bellinger, rookie. And there you go. That was a break, guys. That was Topps Chrome Baseball Jumbo. One box break number 11. We have number 12 in the store. If you guys want to get another one of these going, $10 breaks, Jaspy's Hobbyland. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.